Hey everyone, it's Riya and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how to make a paper snowflake. To start, I got 3 pieces of A4 paper and I folded them in half and cut them so that I had 6 pieces of A5 paper. This is just so that my 3D snowflake is a bit smaller, but if you want to stick to 6 pieces of A4 then you can, but just know that it'll be a lot bigger. So as you can see here, I'm cutting my A4 sheet of paper in half. Then I'm folding the bottom right corner to the edge and cutting off the excess. This is so that it makes a square shape. Next again, you're going to fold from corner to corner. And then along the side that is folded, cut 3 lines. They should be getting smaller the nearer you go to the edge of the paper. Then unfold it. Next, you're going to cut some pieces of sellotape, or if you want, you can use glue or a glue gun, but anything that will secure the paper together. So you're going to take the 2 middle pieces, the 2 smallest pieces that are closest to each other, and you're going to fold them around each other and stick that down. It should kind of make a cylinder shape. Then you're going to turn the paper over and do the same again with the next 2 pieces. So fold them across each other and stick it down. Fold it over again, get the next 2 pieces and stick them together, and just keep doing this until you've stuck together all the pieces of paper. By the way, if you are going to use sellotape, I definitely suggest using really small pieces, because I cut quite big pieces and I ended up having to cut off some of the sellotape that hung over the edge. And I'm doing the same again to show you. So if, like me, you're creating pieces of paper that are A5, I think I made 6 of these snowflake rings, but if it's A4 I think it's 8, and I think it just keeps getting bigger and bigger depending on what size paper you have. So as you can see, again, I am cutting those 3 lines. Remember that you should be cutting those along the folded edge of the paper. Then you're going to unfold it. And you're going to grab the 2 smallest pieces of paper. They should be in the center. And just wrap those around each other and stick them down. And remember, next you have to flip over the paper so that you're on the opposite side, and do the same with the next 2 strands of paper. So again, I'm flipping it over. And I'm getting the next 2 pieces of paper and sticking them down. And the same again until you're finished. So off camera I made another 4 of these, so that in the end I had 6, as you can see here. So I got 3 of them, so half of the amount that I had made, and I got the bottom corners of each one and I held them together. Then using my stapler, I just stapled them together. You're going to do the same with the other 3. Although there is quite a big pause in the filming here because my stapler wasn't filled up, so guys, just remember, keep your staplers filled up with staples. And so you're going to grab all the bottom corners, hold them together so that they all match up, and staple. So now that you've got the 2 halves, as you can see here, they sort of stick out where you've stapled it, and that allows a really good space for you to staple them together. It might be a bit fiddly, so it might take some time to figure out how to hold it whilst you're stapling it together. And there you have it. A finished, adorable and a really pretty 3D snowflake. As you can see, it looks amazing on my wall. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye!